Around us we see that Kamdev, the king of mundane lust and desire, has conquered the kingdoms. The Kamadev king and kingdom has conquered the kingdoms of everyone's heart, leaving one and all in a perpetual state of anxiety, tension, frustration, and dissatisfaction. Many, many love stories full of intrigue, competition, arguments, and romantic interludes have come and gone. Yet still we remain suffering from the searing pain of unrequited lust, that continually itching inner hankering for ultimate bliss and fulfillment. In other words, the searing pain of unrequited lust, dash, what is that lust? Lust is that continually itching inner hankering for ultimate bliss and fulfillment.